How to replace the hinges. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, top cover, keyboard, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from their routing channels along the right hinge on the display enclosure. Remove the 3 P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right hinge to the display enclosure. Lift the right hinge off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The left hinge is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the right hinge into position on the display enclosure. Replace the 3 P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right hinge to the display enclosure. The left hinge is replaced in the same manner. Route the wireless antenna cables along their routing channel over the right hinge.